What's up, guys? So as some of you know, like the people that follow the channel, I just took like a huge trip to Pennsylvania and back, and on that trip I hit my 40,000 miles, which is about 2,000 miles before my 10,000 mile spark plug change. But after all that driving and this and that, and then we're about to go do a whole nother event this weekend with a bunch of racing and stuff, I decided to order some spark plugs. These are the Brisk ER12s. So what we're gonna do, I mean, spark plug changes are easy. I just want to see if the idle or anything actually changes by switching these over. So I'm about to go show you guys a cold start and where it idles on the tack, and then I'm gonna go drive around, warm it up, because if you don't warm the car up, the coil packs are pretty hard to get out. So I'm gonna go out for a little drive, warm it up, pull the spark plugs, show you guys the difference between these and the RS7s that I have in the motor, and then I'm gonna let the car cool off for quite a while. I have a bunch of stuff to do today still. I gotta detail the car, tape it up, because I don't want bugs getting all over the front end, because it's a 3-hour drive up north, and then I still gotta pack and then edit this video now. So I got a bunch of stuff to do, but there'll be a nice long period between when I install these and then do another cold start to see if it maybe makes any difference. So I'm gonna go out there now, show you guys the idle, and then we'll throw these bitches in and see if it makes any difference. All right, guys, here goes a cold start. Alright, so cold start's over, and that's where we're sitting now. Let's say roughly around 870. Between 869, 875, somewhere in there. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go warm her up, drive around, like I said, so I can get these coil packs out easily, and then yeah, we'll let the car cool back off for a couple hours. I got packing to do and detail the car and edit this video up to this point, I guess, and then yeah, we'll see if it makes any difference. The reason that I'm switching is because, well, first off, it's time to upgrade. The life of these are pretty much done that are in there, but the stigma behind the RS7s is that they tend to break. I've never had one break on me, but you know, knowing that they've broke on people and then these Brisks have not, like, I mean, why wouldn't I just switch over for just a peace of mind at the least, you know? I know the Brisk around 7,000, you should pull them, check them, re-gap them, because the electrode or whatever it's called does burn out over time. So I mean, somewhere around 6,000–7,000 miles, take them out, check them, re-gap them, throw them back in. I changed mine out at 10,000 anyway, so I'll probably check mine at 5 and make sure they're decent, and then maybe again at 7, I don't know, but yeah. All right, we're back here after a little drive, and this is where she sits now. So warmed up, oil temps 183, we're looking at about 780, somewhere around there. So all right, we're gonna swap these bitches out, and I'm gonna let it cool off for quite some time so I can get another good cold start, and then we'll go for a drive and see where they sit. I'll let you know how they feel, and yeah, that'll be it. You'll be able to decide which spark plugs you want, I guess. I don't know, but I was tired of knowing in the back of my head that at any point these RS7s could break, so switched it up. Shout out to Altry at BMP for getting me these, by the way. They weren't supposed to be here till tomorrow, Saturday, but they came early, so I'm doing this before Desert Fest, so that's why I'm kind of in a rush to get this done, but I can't complain. But okay, yep. So coil packs are out, it's easy. I mean, I have another video if you guys really want to know how to do this, but simple stuff. Coil packs are out, we're about to pull out the spark plugs, and we'll see how they look. So this is about every single one of my RS7s look like this. They're not bad at all. It's hard for me to focus, but there you go. That's what they all look like, not bad at all. They all look really good, the porcelain's there, nothing fell and broke off into the engine, so I'm very happy. Like I said, I never had a problem with the RS7 spark plugs, but just, you know, it's time for them to be changed out, and for a better peace of mind, I'm going to switch brand.
Alright, these are what the new spark plugs look like. Brisk Racing ER12s. Got them gapped to 0.024. And yeah, time to throw them in.
Alright, spark plugs are in. Shit's real simple. 17 foot-pounds, torque them down, get your coil packs on, put some grease in there, and call it a day. I got everything done here, all back together real nice. I still got all these bugs I gotta clean up off the car before we head to Albuquerque for the weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to let the car cool down for a bit while I detail it and whatnot, and then we'll compare cold start and after it's warmed up, idle and whatnot. So, all right, car should be nice and cold. Let's see how she idles.
Testing. System ready.
Well, the oil's, temperature's down, and this is looking just a little bit higher than what it was when the car was warmed up, but lower when it was cold. So we'll take a drive here, come back, and see how she looks when she's warmed up a little bit. All right, guys, so we went for a drive. Oil's now pretty much warmed up. Looking at it, we're at about 100 plus on the idle once she's warmed up. I don't really know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, really. Like on the short little drive that I took, I really didn't feel a difference in the car. I mean, I changed out the spark plugs about 2,000 miles before I normally do, because I'm about to put 1,000 miles on the car this weekend. Like I said, I didn't want to risk anything weird happening, so I switched them out. Oh, we switched shit out early, but whatever. But I mean, I'll let you guys know if I really feel a difference in performance, because there'll be a lot of racing and stuff this weekend. But I just wanted to go over just the basic bullshit with the spark plugs. So there you go. Yeah, that's it. I had to go out of this shit and get my shit together, and then we're heading out of town. So y'all take care. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.